Good morning, students. Welcome to our online class for today. Alright, so how are you, everyone? Okay, so I hope students are doing fine and teacher is fine as well. Okay, so everyone, what day is it today? Okay, so now look at the whiteboard all together. Today is Tuesday, June 8th, 2021. Alright, so on Tuesday, first session, we're going to study Treehouse 3. Alright, so please open your Treehouse 3 book on page 113. Okay, so now let's start. Okay, here we go, everyone. So are you on this page? Yes, okay. So we studied this page already, okay? But today teacher want you to review the lesson, okay, and do some activities. Okay, so now let's review on this page first, okay? So review, okay? Review. Yesterday we studied this. What is this letter? What is this letter? It is big K. What is this letter, everyone? It is small k. And what letter K has its phonetic sound, everyone? What sound that it has? K. Okay, very good. K has K sound, alright? K sound. K. Okay, so now let's learn how to read this with teacher all together, okay? K, kangaroo. K, kangaroo. Okay. K, king. K, king. Okay, so that's two words that we study in Unit 9. But this is more words teacher want you to know too, okay? K, kiss. Kiss. Kid. Kid. Okay, so these four words, okay, everyone, that has letter K in its words and it has K sound. Alright, so do you understand, everyone? And there are a lot of words that use with letter K and has K sound. For example, what else, everyone? Kind. Okay, kind. And what else, everyone? Kick. Okay, kick. You kicked somebody. Okay, so that's all, everyone, for review. And now let's look at here all together. Okay, so this is classwork. Alright, classwork. Teacher want you to listen to track 28. Listen, write, and color. Alright, so now activity book page 53. Okay, please take out your activity book and turn it on page 53 altogether. Okay, here, everyone, so page 53, your classwork. Alright, so on this page you will listen, write, and color. Alright, so these are two kings and two kangaroos. You have to color and then color the king and color letter K and write letter K over here. Alright, and the same you have to color kangaroos and letter K's. Alright, small letter K's, big letter K's, and write letter K's on here too. Okay, do you understand, everyone? Okay, so now teacher will give you time to do it, alright? And it's also the end of our first session too, alright? So now teacher would like to say goodbye and see you at the second session.